What you talking about look good? It's jumping out here.
Yeah, look at the view behind me, guys. What is up, guys? It is gorgeous out here tonight, and it's probably one of the last warm nights we're actually gonna get. It's, you know, it's still hoodie weather. We got our hoodie on, but we're out here doing the light show. We got them lined up. Trailblazer and the Jag. We got the Ho on Foes in the box. The Ho on Foes has got the prismatic lights. That looks good. I really didn't know how those would look, and I was kind of skeptical about them, but man, they look good on that truck, for real. I like those lights. And the box back there, you can see it's got the UV lights. The Jag's lit up. We all know the kit there. Got the Blazer going. It's all lit up. Headlights and all. Showstopper, block bullet. That's what's up. Out here representing Chevy gang. We're out here just hanging out, having a good time, guys. Man, you hear that thing back there just bumping, man. I'm telling you, and that's on one. I'm surprised that somebody ain't complained yet, kind of, because it's been going for a minute like that. And it's beating. Thump. That's what you hear, Chevy gang, man. That's what we're out here doing. Alright, guys, it's starting to get late. We're about to wind it down for the night and do me for a little bit, so we're gonna call it a night. So if you're here just watching the videos, make sure to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up, hit that share, subscribe button, and get in the comments and let us know what you think. Definitely let us know what you think about the lights on this. Alright, guys, until next time, keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.